Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into the best lengthening waterproof 8 megaliters mascara you'll want to add to your makeup arsenal. The Tubing Mascara Black by Evdayam, in a double-pack duo. Let's break down what makes this mascara stand out in a saturated beauty market. Instead of painting your lashes like traditional mascaras, tubing mascaras use a unique polymer formula that wraps each lash in a tube-like coating. This innovation gives you that lash extension effect without the glue or the salon visit. When you apply this mascara, it hugs your lashes from root to tip with weightless, flexible tubes that don't smudge, smear, or flake, even through rain, sweat, or long workdays. Now let's talk waterproof, and we mean truly waterproof. This formula is designed to resist not just water but also friction from blinking or rubbing. No more panda eyes or midday touch-ups. You can go from morning meetings to late-night dinners without a single mascara mishap. It comes off effortlessly with just warm water, no tugging, no remover, just gentle pressure and it slides right off. One of the most impressive features is the telescopic lash lift effect. The wand is designed with precision in mind. It reaches even the tiniest lashes in your inner corners, separating and lengthening them for a bold, sky-high effect. And this isn't a mascara that clumps or gives you spider lashes. The blackest black pigment coats evenly, giving your lashes drama, depth, and stunning definition. This 2-pack isn't just a great value, it's a makeup bag essential. Each tube holds 10 grams of product, meaning you get double the volume for everyday use, travel, or sharing with a friend. Whether you're a minimal makeup wearer or a full glam queen, this set ensures you never run out of your new go-to mascara. Let's also talk about safety and sensitivity. Evdayam formulated this mascara to be gentle enough for daily use, even if you wear contact lenses or have sensitive eyes. It's gluten-free, mineral-rich, and ophthalmologist-friendly. You get bold lashes with clean ingredients, a win for your beauty and your health. Overall, the Tubing Mascara Black by Evdayam brings together next-gen tubing technology, waterproof performance, and safe, high-impact ingredients. It's everything you need in a mascara, without the downsides. If you're tired of flaky formulas, impossible removals, or just want lashes that wow without the falsies, this could be the upgrade your routine has been waiting for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an in-depth look at the best in beauty and beyond. See you next time.